What's up everyone, MistrMopar back with another how-to DIY video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil and filter in a 2018 Subaru WRX. This is the 2.0 turbo engine and it's a pretty straightforward, easy oil change. So if you've seen my other videos, you know I'm Mobile One guy. The Mobile One filter for this engine is the 104A. And this calls for 530, so I always use the Mobile One full synthetic 530. Your oil filter is actually right here on top of the engine, easy to get to. The drain plug is underneath the car, so if you're looking right dead center at the emblem on the grill, you're gonna go right underneath the car. As you can see, I've already got my drain pan underneath there. You're gonna see this silver skid plate and then another black skid plate. And right between the two of them is your drain plug. That is 9/16, 14 millimeter. Either one will work. I'm going to use a 14. So I'm going to go ahead and let that drain out. And then we will move on to changing the filter. You can see I've got a drain in there now. The bulk of it's already out. But I'm going to give that about 5 minutes until it's just a drip. And then we'll go back up top for the filter. While that's draining, I'll give you a little walk around of his car. Admittedly, I'm not a big Subaru fan. I just see too many of them in the salvage yards that I go to. But I do like this car. It's pretty quick. It's a 2.0 turbo. It is a manual shift. It's a decent little car. He thinks it's quicker than my G37. I tend to disagree. It might be a little quicker from 0 to like 70, but once we go over that, the G's gonna walk it. But it is a nice ride. In the next couple of weeks, I'll also be making a video. We're gonna be changing his front and rear brake pads and rotors. So if that's something that interests you, drop a like, subscribe. I'll be helping him do the maintenance on this vehicle in the coming days, months, etc. So another thing, some people do, some people don't, but I'm going to take and dab my finger in some of the oil that came out just to lubricate that rubber seal. And the reason being, if nobody's ever explained it and you're wondering why, is it's going on this metal surface. So rubber on metal obviously creates grip. When you're tightening that up, you don't want that rubber gasket to move because it's creating friction, traction on the metal. So just a little bit of an oil bead right there will let you tighten it up nice and smooth. Now I am going to fill this filter before I put it on there, and once I do that I'll show you the trick to put it on without spilling it, and more than likely I'll probably still spill it because I just said that, but hold up. Go. Alright, so I've got the filter filled most of the way. Now to do this without spilling some, knock on wood, I'm going to try not to spill it, you just got to be quick. You just got to put it on. You're going to lose it a little bit, of course, if you get the threads on the right way, but as you can see, you can put that on without making a mess. Just got to be quick, get it on there. I've already got my drain plug back in, so now we're gonna fill up the oil, which is right here beside the filter, and you're good to go. So that's how you change the oil in the 2018 WRX, the 2.0. Pretty simple, straightforward. Again, Mobile One filters, the 104A. We got a full synthetic Mobile One 5W30. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this helped you out, like and subscribe. It does help me out. Again, as I said previously, in the coming weeks we're going to be doing the front brake pads and rotors and the rear brake pads and rotors, and we will make a tutorial on that. So thanks for watching everybody. Hope this helps someone.